Jordan is traveling back in time to 1988 for the next installment of their Reimagined series, with the release of the Air Jordan 3 Retro White Cement Reimagined. Let's take a look. Jordan used the same design and specs as the original 1988 Jordan 3 silhouette to help craft the second model of the Reimagined series. The Air Jordan 3 Retro White Cement is constructed with a white leather upper and off-white colored midsoles and heel tabs, helping to give the sneaker a vintage design. They were released on March 11, 2023 with a retail price of $210. On the secondary market today, they range between $300 and $400. What do you think of them? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.